Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to multiply two numbers in Python. So at first I am going to add two variables. And I am going to add another variable. So I am going to store the value of the two variables in the multiply variable. I am going to use multiplication operation. Now I am going to print the multiplication. Let's execute it. So you can see the output. If I change the value from 8 to 9, you can see the execution is properly working. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.